Eamon, what color is that?
Oh, white.
What color is it? Is it red? Push, push, push. Uh-oh. What you got? What color is that?
White.
What color is that?
Purple.
Purple? What color?
Is it what?
What? Do you need purple and Snuffy?
Uh,
Okay. Here's Snuffy.
is that
Is that Snuffy?
color?
Yeah? I think you need to turn the cap around.
Mm.
Good job.
Um,
Elmo?
uh,
Does he need more colors?
is that? Is that?
That's where you color. Good job. Do you want to send that picture to Aunt Holly and Aunt Pammy?
Mm?
You want to send that picture to Aunt Holly and Aunt Pammy? Oh, are you going to come say hi?